Now our last video saw us pitting two mowers against each other in a tug of war. It started with an epic fail and then an epic win for the Green Craftsman. Then we got the genius idea, how about two mowers versus one ATV? 2, 1, I don't know how many numbers are on my fingers. I predict 80% chance the ATV is going to drag it straight onto the street, 20% chance, well, they'll all just dig a rut and sort of get stuck. Let's find out. Well, it looks like my 20% chance prediction was absolutely correct. I'll show you what happened here. Everything just sort of burrowed into my gravel. Well, they did actually burrow in pretty good into the gravel. The ATV, well, the ATV won. I'll put it that way. It didn't exactly drag us out on the street like I thought it might happen, but it did get us to move back a couple inches anyways. I'll show you the replay right now. But speaking of that 20% chance where we just dig in, look at the rut here. I don't know, it might be a little dim, a little dark to see, but that's how deep that hole is. So hey, it was fun to do anyways. Thanks for watching Bogey Wheels.
You wasn't Bogey Wheels.